can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to NORI for another video. As you guys just saw in the title and the thumbnail, today we're going to be covering the Supreme Week 1 unboxing. I know I didn't do the live cop for you guys. I do apologize once again, but I was caught up. I was on vacation. Now, I did promise myself that I wouldn't miss the actual unboxing, so that's what we're going to be doing today in this video. If you do end up enjoying, go ahead and slap a like, subscribe down below if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we have like 3 to 4 packages that I'm gonna show you guys today. The first one being this Supreme package right here. But in here we do have this sticker pack. It looks like I didn't get the special box logo, which low-key kind of sucks, but it is what it is. In this package we do have 2 tees, which I am gonna briefly cover. I do have the Laugh Now, Cry Later tee, and we actually managed to get the Tupac tee in like this neon orange colorway. I'm gonna pop this open the nicest way I possibly can because I probably won't be selling this for a little while, but we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. This color isn't even that bad, honestly. I kind of do like it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is basically the whole graphic right there. The only thing is that he has the Supreme boxers. One thing that I must say about this collaboration or whatever it is that they could have done so much better, bro. I feel like when it comes to Tupac, you can't just be lazy with it like they were. And it's honestly kind of frustrating because there's so many things they could have went with. Instead of this, they're basically forcing Tupac to have Supreme briefs on, which is kind of bad in my opinion. But once again, I don't know, bro. This is for me, I guess. I'm gonna keep this in the personal for a little while and just see where prices go with this piece right here. But next up we do have a piece that is for the personal. I actually really do love this piece right here. This is one of the ones that I'm keeping no matter what, like, so I don't really care how I open this. I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys real quick. This is definitely one of my favorite designs. We got this small logo on the front, which I really do love. It says Supreme right there, then it says 1994 in Roman numerals right under it. Then on the back you have the huge ass design, which I honestly love, bro. This is so fire. You got like 3D letters spelling out Supreme, as you can see right there. And then you got that huge ass logo, the barbed wire, the ribbon. It's just perfect in my opinion. Definitely my favorite tee, or one of my favorites that came out this past week. We did actually secure the poncho. It says be prepared for the storm on it right there. It says ballpark adult rain poncho or whatever. Supreme, one size fits all. I honestly don't want to open this. This has been on Instagram so much. You guys have seen this, but I'm gonna leave this one in the packaging. Next up we have another Supreme package right here. I feel like I got like 8 to 10 items. I honestly don't know too well, but in this one we have some more things. We got another poncho right here, as you guys can see. Another poncho for the collection. That's 2 so far, which is pretty clean to me. Shit, we got this shop tee in orange. I got a whole lot of orange this time around. Colors were selling out. I was just trying to secure whatever. I was honestly at Universal Studios in Florida while the drop was happening, and I was just trying to cop something, you know what I'm saying? Like, I wasn't trying to go out empty-handed, go out sad. So I did end up getting this shit in orange, which honestly doesn't even look that bad. I feel like this is gonna be for the personal because I have no orange shirts, and this one, it's pretty solid. It's simple. It just has the Supreme classic logo without the little squiggly line on the top of the E. It says New York and their phone number right there. Pretty clean tee if you ask me. I actually am a fan of this one right here. In that package we have 2 stickers and the regular sticker, bro. No box logo so far, which honestly is kind of a bummer, but what can we do about it? We have this camp cap. This is the first official camp cap that I buy from the Supreme website. I'm not a huge hat buyer on the Supreme website, but we did cook up on this one right here. This is the chocolate chip camo camp cap. This shit is so fire, bro. You got like this flat ass brim. What is going on with this one right here, bro? Supreme box logo on the front, Sup NY, and then just a plain hat on the back. It has Supreme on the little buckle. This hat is fire, bro. Look at this. It's perfect. Like, this is actually a really clean hat, so I had to go ahead and buy it. Next up, we actually got a package from Profound Aesthetics, If you guys know, they always hook up the channel, and this is no different, bro. They ended up sending me a care package full of items, and if you guys do want to get 20% off on their website, the code is Astro20 for 20% off on Profound Aesthetics. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys these rapid fire because I actually am kind of in a rush. Right here we have the first jacket. I actually have this in like a black and gray color, but I wanted to get this mustard ketchup vibe right here. I actually think it's pretty clean. It's a little bit louder, but I feel like when spring comes around, you can go ahead and throw this on with a little shirt and just be good for the day. It has white on the sleeve, it has yellow and red right there with the red drawstring right here. Then it has that big ring to pull down. This is a really great quality zipper as well. Next up, they actually sent me 3 beanies. I love beanies, as you guys can clearly see. So I got a black one, just an everyday black one right there. We got a creamish tan one that's just plain. Then we got my favorite one, which is this blue colorway right here. This is like the chocolate chip Supreme hat that just came out. This color, definitely fire. 3 beanies right there. We got something right here that I didn't even know they sold. As you guys can see, it says Profound Aesthetics right there on the glasses case. These are so fire, bro. Like, what? I was not expecting them to have glasses, so when they did, I went ahead and got these right here. Definitely a fire pair of glasses, if I'm gonna say so myself. I'm gonna be freaking these shits all summer. Fire glasses, you cannot go wrong with these. Anorak parka type vibe on this one. This is actually a pullover, which is fire. It says Profound on the front, got the little red stripe on the side, then it's all black. This is clean to me, bro. I feel like you could wear this with some kicks, some bread 4s, call it a day. Definitely for those rainy weathers that are about to come in spring. Clean piece. If you guys do want to check these out, you already know, Profound Aesthetic, use the code Astro20 for 20% off. Now the last piece that I got from their website is this pink long sleeve. I normally don't wear long sleeves too much. This one definitely caught my attention as it is like a thicker material. It's like this vibrant pink. As you can see, it says Dust to Dust on the front with like a rose behind it. Then it has Profound going down the sleeve right there. It's like a thin cuff as well, which is pretty clean in my opinion. In the spring, just throw these on. Something real simple that you don't have to do too much with. That's this right here, but that pretty much does it for Profound Aesthetics. Once again, Astro20 for 20% off on Profound Aesthetics. Now we're gonna get into the big shebang, the last bag or box that I have for Supreme, and we're gonna start off big with this one with the waist bag. I honestly feel like the waist bag was way better than the shoulder bag this season, so I did end up getting this rather than that. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. One thing I'm gonna say is that this bag is big as hell. I didn't expect it to be this huge. It's alright. It has the Supreme box logo right there at the bottom. It says Supreme right here, as you guys can see behind the little fishnet, which is not that bad. It's like a fly wire as well. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but you got like this little handle on the back. You got the little waist strap as well, and I'm pretty sure you got the actual strap that goes on the top in case you are trying to wear this like a shoulder bag. Bro, this is like a messenger bag. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it doesn't look that bad. Nonetheless, I am gonna do a review on this piece right here, so stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna talk about it too much now, but be waiting for that review. In this package, we got another one of the same damn sticker pack. We did not get the box logo once again, which is honestly a bummer, but at this point I feel like I'm gonna have to pay resale for that sticker. But here we got another one of the tees that I just had to have for myself. I don't care about resale on this one. This is definitely for the personal, and it's this sacred long sleeve. I feel like this design right here is from the hoodie that came out last season. This is that same Supreme box logo looking ass. It says Sacred, Unique, Psycho, Ready, Electro, Murder, Everyone. And if you see the first letters of every word, it spells out Supreme going down right there. Pretty clean. Definitely like this color. It was either this color or the same color as that Neo Tokyo shirt right there, but this is definitely a fire piece in this cream color. One of my favorites. This is for the personal, just like the Laugh Now tee. That one definitely staying with me too. But we have another poncho in this pack, so we got 3 ponchos so far. I'm trying to see how many I could get, to be honest, but we do have this beanie right here, which is fire, bruh. It's like this royal blue, like a dark purpley type blue. On this is almost like a Concord low-key with that Supreme box logo right there. Last season I got the cream tannish one. This season I got this one, and I have the olive one from fall winter 19, from spring summer I think, or fall winter 18, one of those seasons. So I got 3 of these now. I think the next one I'm gonna get is the black one. Fire piece though. Last thing we do have for today is the Zippo, as you can see right here. here. You cannot go wrong with a Zippo, bro. Like, come on. Let's slide this out the little packaging. And here we got the magical Zippo. This is glow in the dark, which is nuts to me. I feel like that's such a clean touch, but this one is definitely fire. I just don't understand why it doesn't have the little tapings. Yo, this is clean, bro. Look at this. Super on the front, eam on the back. I don't know how you'll be able to tell if this is dead stock or not, because normally they have the little thing on it holding it, but this is fire nonetheless. As you guys can see right here, definitely one of my favorite Zippos that I own at this point. That was the last item that I have for you guys in this video. If you did end up enjoying, slap a like on it down below. Comment what your favorite piece that I showed you guys in this video was. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.